Welcome to the next video on compiler design. In this video, we are going to talk about operator precedence parsing. So let us start. The precedence relations are used to mark the right and left end of the handle. For example, lesser than precedence relation marks the left end. Same precedence level that is equal to appears in the interior of the handle, and greater than precedence relation marks the right end. For general convention, the input string is prefixed and suffixed with dollar. Like suppose W is here, so prefixed and suffixed with dollar. And then we insert the precedence relation between the pairs of terminals. Fine. Suppose we are having this ambiguous grammar and we are assuming following parsing table, that is, these are the terminals and precedence relations are like this. The grammar is having production E is rewritten as E plus E multiplied by E, and ID. So suppose we have the string to be passed as ID plus ID into ID, then we will insert the precedence relation like this. Okay, so just consider, suppose dollar and ID pair. In the table you can find dollar and ID. So this relation is what? Lesser than precedence relation. So we have incorporated dollar less than ID. In the same way, IDN plus, just see here, IDN plus, ID is having greater precedence than plus, so we have inserted greater than. And in the same manner, all the precedence relation have been inserted. The algorithm works in the following manner. The stack is looked and scanned for the following. Scan the string from left end until the first greater than is encountered. Then scan backwards to the left over any equal to or same precedence level until a less than precedence level is encountered. For example, we have to start scanning from left. We have found this greater than. Next, traverse back to find this one. Okay, so in between whatever appears is called handle. Okay, so in a nutshell, a stack is used where the initial stack contents are the modified input string with precedence added. The handle contains everything, very important point, to the left of first greater than precedence relation and to the right of the less than precedence level is encountered. Okay, so let us understand this action by operator precedence parser. The stack is containing like this. Input is prefixed with and suffixed with the dollar. Now we have inserted the precedence relation between the terminals of the string, that is dollar less than id, id greater than plus, plus less than id, id greater than asterisk, asterisk less than id, id greater than dollar. So we have scanned from left to right as discussed earlier, encountered first greater than, then traverse back to find this less than, so id becomes the handle. The rule used to reduce is what? E plus E is rewritten as ID. Okay. So again, in this manner, this ID is being replaced by E. Again, this ID. So we are getting this configuration E plus E multiplied by E. Again, we have seen that this asterisk is in the greater than and less than precedence relation in between. So this is going to be reduced by this production rule. E is rewritten as E asterisk E, and finally this plus. So E plus E is being replaced by E, so we are getting this configuration. In same way, we are going to utilize this operator precedence grammar of operator precedence parser to parse the input. This is the general convention. In the next video, we are going to see the actual algorithm. Thank you for watching.